take a look at the weather now. And Tom, the state continues to see fairly regular rainfall.
Jeremy, yes, the 3-year soaking for New South Wales, it's not quite finished just yet. And that was a classic La Nina weekend for our state, up to around 50 millimetres of rain and maximums on Sunday as much as 12 below average. Now, even though La Nina is gradually weakening, the latest forecast for February still indicates it is likely to be wetter than normal, up to a 70% chance of above medium rain in the southeast of the state. The wet signal is forecast to dissipate by March, meaning a close to even chance of above or below average rain. Now, Sunday's cloud cleared off the coast overnight after dropping 41 millimetres on Canterbury. Pockets of sunshine returned today, and Sydney recorded a warmer high of 27, 5 above yesterday and 1 above average. A few storms developed along the ranges this afternoon, and the associated cloud dropped 2 millimetres on Campbelltown. That helped to keep their maximum to just 25, and that was 5 below average. There was no sea breeze today, and as a result, maximums were in the west similar to the coast. Statewide, as we have seen on most nights this summer, last night's minimums were below average. Parts of the ranges dipped below 10 degrees. Maximums were also on the cool side, as much as 5 below average in the central regions. On the satellite, a cloud band is moving away from the coast. That's as an offshore low tracks offshore. Now, a region of cloud is approaching from the west near this trough line. And as it moves east, we will see thunderstorms develop tomorrow over parts of southeast Australia. For the capitals, that means partly cloudy with the slight risk of a shower or storm in Canberra and Melbourne. Now, here is the rain forecast for New South Wales. Today's storms along the ranges will dissipate overnight. However, storms will return tomorrow across most districts. They're most likely in the southwest and again along the ranges. So for the northeast, a high chance of showers and storms on the ranges and mid-north coast, around a 40% chance for locations in the Hunter and along the northern rivers coast. Severe storms are possible with the threat of damaging winds, hail and heavy rain. For the southeast, a tricky forecast tomorrow. It's around a 50% risk of storms for most towns, but closer to just 20% for the far south coast, parts of the southern tablelands and the western central tablelands. Further inland, a slight chance of showers and storms, more likely over the southwest, but no storms tomorrow for the north. On the waters, winds from 15 to 25 knots and the seas from 1 to 2 metres. Now for Sydney, warm and partly cloudy, 25 on the beaches, 28 for the city and 31 in the west. A chance of showers and storms. Now the risk depends on your proximity to the coast. 70% for the far west, lowering to just a 20% chance along the beaches. Now if we do see a storm tomorrow, there's a risk it will be severe with flash flooding, damaging winds and hail. The sun will rise at 6:07 a.m. and set 14 hours later at 8:07 p.m. And further ahead, a warm and humid week for Sydney, possible early showers and storms Wednesday. They're most likely near the coast. The risk of showers and storms then continuing from Thursday and maximums from the high 20s to the low 30s, Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Let's take in now Laura Tingle with 7:30.